We are going to get some practice with vertical lines. A couple of things about vertical lines. If we look at our equation, y equals mx plus b for lines, y equals mx plus b, if we notice everything is y equals everything else. In this situation, though, we have x equals everything else. In this case, it's just a number, but x equals everything else. In this situation, essentially what we're saying is this is not a function. Functions, f of x is equal to mx plus b, or in this case, y equals mx plus b. Functions almost always, actually I should say always, start with y equals. If it starts with x equals, we can guarantee that it's not going to be a function because there is going to likely be a cross back on itself in terms of the function, or it's going to be a vertical line. So x is equal to -1. If we were to draw this graph, we would essentially just go through -1 on the x-axis. So if we look at this, here is our origin. This slightly thicker line is hard to see. I'm going to go to -1 on the x-axis, and I'm going to draw a vertical line. So if we look at this, this is definitely not a function. It would not pass the vertical line test. If I look at this, every single point on that line hits the vertical line, so therefore it's not passing the vertical line test. In this next one, x is equal to 9, same thing. I'm going to start at 0, 0 and go over to x equals 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right here on the edge of my graph, and draw a vertical line at x equals 9. And that's all you got to do. Isn't it amazing? Vertical lines, they're phenomenal. I love them. They are definitely not functions, though. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to try your hand at the must-do problems and then the exit pass. Thanks for watching.